Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching XKGLOW and my name is Jeff. So, off to Honda this morning. We are going to go test drive a couple Civics, Cord. I don't know really, but we're just gonna go test drive a few cars and see what we can do. Like I said yesterday, I'm not going to jump into any of this. I'm going to take my time and make sure that we get the best value for our dollar. Please comment below what you think we should go look at. Honda today, Hyundai tomorrow, Volkswagen Wednesday, and then maybe Kia on Thursday, depending on time. We got all week, so we're going to take our time and do this right. Okay, here we are at Honda. Let's go inside, let's find Peter, and let's start this process. So we just went for a test drive on a basic Civic LX. It comes standard with heated seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's pretty nice, comfortable, drives nice, quiet, but it's lacking a little bit of horsepower. 150 horse is definitely a far stretch from the BMW, and I definitely notice it. I'd probably get better gas mileage, and I think on the highway it would be just fine. We just went and cruised down Stony Trail, and yeah, it was not bad. I'm kind of digging it. So I'll show you guys the exterior now. Yeah, pretty basic, but I think it'll do. It's definitely bigger than the 335, and I think my kids would really appreciate that. I got the numbers. They are a little low for what they're offering me for this car, my E92, but the monthly payments are close to okay. They're a little bit higher than what I was expecting, but I think that's because just because of the different trade value of my E92 to the Honda Civic. But Peter and Hi at Village Honda have been great, super pleasant to deal with, and so far it's been a great experience at Honda. And like I said, the Honda is probably at the forefront of my choices, just from the reliability and just the economic factor of it. But we're done here. I'm going to take the numbers home, go see my wife. We can have a talk about it, but first we're gonna pop over to the BMW gallery and say hi to Marty, maybe Rada, whoever else is there. And yeah, we'll have a conversation with them. I'm gonna have a chat with Marty about some up and coming stuff with the gallery and possibly the brigade, and maybe something that might happen this summer. Well, I met with Marty from the BMW gallery, and he's got potentially some pretty cool stuff lined up for the summer. We're gonna keep it all a surprise for right now, but if you keep watching the vlogs, I'll make sure you guys know about it as soon as we're ready to release that information. But yeah, no, it was a good chat at the gallery. So now I'm just gonna head home and talk the numbers on the Civic with my wife, and get ready for the Hyundai test drives tomorrow. I'm kind of excited. This is fun. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you guys want to see, anything else I should be adding to the vlogs. I'm not sure if I want to discuss the numbers and all that other stuff, but if there's anything else you guys want to see with the vlog and test driving the new cars, and yeah, let me know in the comments below if there's any vehicle that you guys think I should be test driving. But like that, we're gonna head home. So thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you tomorrow. Please subscribe if you want to see some more content of new cars, and